how to fix Steam Cloud Sync error. So in order to fix this issue, the first thing that you can do is to go to Steam and click on Settings, and here click on Cloud and make sure this Enable Steam Cloud Synchronization is turned on, or there is a tick mark on this option. And after that, click on OK. And if this does not help, the next thing that you can do is to go to Settings again, and from here click on Download and click on Steam Library Folders and go to Settings and click on Repair folder. And if this still does not help you, the last option that you can do is click on your game, go to Properties and click on Local Files and click on Verify Integrity of game files. And I hope by these three methods your Steam Cloud Sync error will be solved. And if you find this tutorial helpful, please subscribe and don't forget to leave us a like and comment. Till then, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.